Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error message on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 or Windows NAT of the computer when attempting to adjust settings that it shows that some settings aren't available in high contrast mode. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So dito lang sa start menu, so right click ka lang. And then select yung settings. And then next, ay kailangan mo select yung accessibility. And then dito sa accessibility, and then select contrast theme. So click mo lang ito. And then dito sa contrast theme, nandito yung mga theme preview na pwede nating pagpilian. Okay, so pwede mo namang itong gamitin yung Alt plus Shift plus print screen para ma-turn on and off yung contrast theme, mga kaibigan. And then dapat nakanan po siya. Okay? And then kapag naka-currently set siya one of the virus high contrast theme on your computer, so halimbawa ito yung naka-currently set na desert, so apply lang natin. And then kailangan mo lang dito mag-go back dito sa accessibility, and then select mo lang itong contrast theme, and then select mo lang dito yung none, mga kaibigan, and then click mo lang itong apply. Alright, so kapag kailangan mo ulit mag-adjust and go back lang dito sa contrast theme, and once you were done making the appropriate adjustment na settings, so select mo lang itong none, mga kaibigan. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix yung some settings aren't available in high contrast mode error in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.